Okay guys, welcome to my air fryer series. As you know, Thanksgiving is creeping up slowly, so I decided to make this air fried pecan pie that was so delicious. Let's jump into the recipe. So I went in with a half a cup of unsalted butter, followed by a cup of dark corn syrup, half a cup of maple syrup, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding all this to my skillet over medium-high flame. A cup of granulated sugar. Brown sugar is better, but you know your girl is using what she has. Took it off the flame. I added a cup and a half of chopped pecans. I actually ran it through my food processor, and then I found some brown sugar, so I added a quarter cup of that. Mix it all in. Then you're going to allow it to cool before adding your eggs, because we're not making scrambled eggs over here. So I added 3 eggs slowly while mixing, and then now is the time that you would add your bourbon or any other liquor. I decided to use Jamaican rum cream, of course. Don't knock it till you try it. Poured it into my pre-made pie crust, added some more pecans on top, and then I'm gonna pop it in the air fryer at 350 degrees. I'm gonna bake it for an hour. I covered halfway through because the top was getting a little too brown too quickly, but this is how we're looking. This was so delicious.